What I'm trying to understand, ma'am, is that there were doctors and medical workers, in particular in India, who got their two doses within a gap of 4 to 6 weeks, because that was the recommended interval in the months of February and March. Then that changed to 8 weeks. Now it's changed to 12 to 16 weeks. Uh, how do you explain such a wide variation in such a short period of time? Are those who took the vaccine in February, March just as protected as those who will now take it with a 12-week gap?
So this is an area where the data are still emerging, but to people who took the vaccine at the 4 to 6 week interval, we have to remember that the US trial that involved 30,000 people, half of whom were given the vaccine, had a 4 week gap between the two doses. And that was a vaccine that had about above 75% efficacy. So the data are strong for whichever gap has been recommended so far. The question really is, in all of these trials and in the data that we are gathering now with one dose, with two doses, this is all early protection because we give the vaccine and immediately we are starting to measure protection for the period that we can measure. Now, the thinking really is, do you need the second dose at all? And if you need the second dose, what do you expect it to do? And what is the best way for that second dose of an adenovirus vector vaccine? Some people make the argument that this is a vaccine that might be better for long-term protection, in which case the gap should be possibly even wider. It's been proposed we might want to think about a 4 to 6 month gap as compared to the 12 to 16 weeks that has been proposed for India right now. It's very important to remember that these vaccines are new. We are finding the best ways to use them. So far, every way that we have tried has benefit. In the future, we'll find what is optimal for both short and long-term protection.
Can we say with some confidence that at least those who've taken the two doses of the vaccine, be it Covishield or Covaxin, are almost unlikely to get hospitalized with severe SARS-CoV-2 illness? Can we say that therefore with some confidence, or is the jury still out even on that?
I think we can say with confidence that the vaccines have a very high chance of preventing severe disease and mortality in people who have taken two doses of Covaxin. And for Covishield, even with one dose, the data from the UK shows us that there is very good protection, over 70% protection against severe disease, against mortality, including in the elderly, for at least 3 months with the AstraZeneca vaccine. So we should expect very good protection with one dose and possibly even better protection with two doses. We still don't have two doses